Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today on this video I'll show you how to make vanilla cupcakes at home. It is so simple. These cupcakes were so easy to make and the result was amazing. They were so sweet, so soft, so spongy, and I would like us to have a look at how the cupcakes looks on the inside. So let's get into the recipe. Into a large mixing bowl, add 2 eggs and then mix that. I'm using an electric mixer, but you can use a whisk or even a wooden spoon if you do not have a mixer at hand. And then I go in with sugar and then I continue mixing. Also, I will list all the ingredients on the description box and their measurements, so please be sure to check that out. And mix until you get a smooth mixture that looks like this, whitish. And then I go in with baking powder and oil. Continue beating this again. And then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. I did not show you when I did it, but I added into the mixture and then give that a good mix. And now it's time to add the dry ingredients and add in all-purpose flour. Then add milk. Then give it a mix. And this is how the cupcakes batter should be. It looks like just cake batter. And then using the cake mold, add the cupcake liners. And then once that is done, start adding the batter into the cupcake mold. And I'm using an ice cream scoop to add the cake batter into the cake mold. But you can use a spoon as well. Just do not fill the cake batter to the liners to be full. Just add like 2/3 full. Don't fill it fully. I got 11 cupcakes, and then just remove any air bubbles that could be in the cupcakes by tapping that on the table, and then bake at 180 degrees. And this is how the cupcakes were looking like. You can see it has been a very simple process, so simple, and you can try this if you like cupcakes, and I assure you, you are going to love them. Thank you so much for your continued support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly consider doing so, and thank you so much for your continued support, and I hope to see you guys on my next video.